Action talk and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica for Wednesday, June 10, 2009. My name is Primrose Barrett. The minister who responds for the Jamaican farmer them, Christopher Tufton, said the sugar worker them would lose them work last year or go get their money now. The gleaner for Wednesday, June 10, 2009 said the government have go come up with nearly $3 billion to pay the sugar worker them where them lose them work last year December. The government will get all heap of help from one group named the European Union, where one Bangla country in Europe. The group come together so the government for them country there can work with them one another for peace and bring in more money in them country. The Jamaican government will get $1.9 billion for help make up the money where the sugar worker them forget. Christopher Tufton did have one meeting with the National Workers Union that the group as money them will look out for all of the Jamaican worker them. In tell them that the government will pay the worker them in June 16, 2009. Vincent Morrison, the head of the Workers Union, said him glad that the worker them will get the money what them forget from last year. But before the worker them get their money, the people them from the National Workers Union have to meet with the boss them for the Jamaica Sugar Company. Them will go find out how long the worker them did a work with the company and to know how much money them for collect. At the December 19, 2008, it did come into the Jamaican Observer so about 8,000 of the sugar worker them they go lose their work because the government has allowed 5 of them sugar factory. In the same month of December last year, them did collect the first part of them send one pay, and from that time until now, the sugar worker them did wait for the government give them the rest of their money. According to the Gleaner for Friday, January 30, 2009, Guardian Life, the second biggest insurance company in Jamaica, did lose enough money when the government did send on the sugar worker them. Guardian Life used to collect money from the Jamaica Sugar Company and out of the worker them pay, so the same worker them and them family could have collect the insurance money if nothing happened to them. Meantime, in the Gleaner for Wednesday, June 10, 2009, Christopher Tufton said the sugar factory and some of the cane piece them soon sell and them don't find 4 company where to buy them out. Right now for the sugar worker them they are them worry cause they don't know if them can get back them work when the new one of them take over the sugar factory them. This is Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Primrose Barrett. Walk good.